this a rain. Hey my peeps, what's up, what's up, what's up? I'm about to do some curry fish. So let me introduce you to my seasoning that I am going to use. Yeah, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I'm a person who loves to use a lot of earth seasoning. Yeah, I don't play with my earth seasoning, guys. Yeah, man, the earth seasoning give the food the spice and the taste, you know. More time you don't even need a lot of a powder seasoning to use. Yeah, so let me start off with my natural season right here. And I'm going to use turmeric, guys. Instead of using the curry, I am going to use the turmeric to do my curry fish. So you're going to see how that turn out. So yeah, stay with me. You know, I'm not leaving out my garlic salt. And you know, I have some gray season over here, fish gray season. I'm going to use a little of this, you know, make the thing spicy and nice. Yeah, let's go over here to the earth seasoning them now. So I have a dozen and a half okra right here. Yeah, I love a lot of okra. Yeah, man, I am an okra lady. Yeah, these okra are called ladies fingers. Why? Because they are long and, you know, nice. Look at that. Look how long that is. Look at that. Yeah, man. So I have some lady fingers, soft, nice okra over here that I'm going to use. I also have a Cho Cho. Yeah. I have my fresh springtime. I have a little piece of ginger. Yeah, I can't leave out my ginger, guys. I have to put a little piece of ginger in my cooking. I have some garlic clove. I have a tomato. I have pumpkin, onion, and we have some cauliflower that we are going to use as well. Yeah, I'm leaving out my Scotch bonnet pepper. Oh, me if you do that. Oh, me if you do that. Yeah. And then I have my sweet pepper over here, my babies. That gives the flavor, yeah, and the smell. Make your pot smell nice. You stay from anywhere and smell that. So yeah, guys, whole heap of chatting. Let's get into business right here, yeah? All right. So I am seasoning my fish. And guys, remember I always tell you, season your fish head. So this is a egg snapper. This is a snapper fish. Egg snapper. Then you have this next snapper again. Yeah. This is a red tail snapper. Nice fish. Nice eating fish. But guys, them fish here are not really my fish, you know. Dr. Fish are my fish still. So season your fish head. You don't know you put some mark in your fish and you're going to put the season in those mark that you put in the fish. Because you want your fish to season properly. Yeah. So this is a butterfish. Clean and nice. So this is a butterfish, guys. The smallest fish in the pan. You know what? We'll get that one here. Mommy. Yeah. Yes, guys. So I'm going to leave this for, you know, half hour, probably 20 minutes. Even less too. Because you don't have to leave fish to marinate for, you know, a long time. You can't just go some booms, buy your fish, get your fish scale, deal with it, and just season up your fish right away and cook your fish. Yeah. So once you put some slice in your fish, guys, you don't have to put it down to marinate. But you don't know, say, when you season any meat at all and you put it down to marinate, you know, say, the season will sit in a that. Yeah? So I have some cauliflower over here, wash and clean up. Remember to put some salt in the water when you're dealing with your vegetable. Any vegetables at all, you use some salt in it. Yeah, so anything at all is on it, you know it's going to come to the top. I love to say it swim up to the top, yeah? Alright, so everything here, so guys, wash and properly deal with and everything. Season wash and cut up and dice up, and you know, I have little pimento berries that I'm going to throw on the fish. Yeah, and you know, I mix up some seasoning. I have to mix the seasoning to use it on my fish. Yeah, so these are the seasoning that I mix up as I introduced them to you earlier on in the first video. So we're not going into that too much long talking. We'll get straight into business right now. Yeah, curry fish. Yeah, man, stay with me, guys. So we are on the curry fish journey. Yeah, so I put a little water in my pot. I'm putting a spoon of butter. I'm using this butter, guys. Don't carry a lot of oil. Yeah, I'm gonna toss that around and let it melt out. Then I'm gonna put some turmeric. I'm using the turmeric instead of the curry. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put some in the pot. Look at that color already. So I am going to go ahead and add a little more water, guys, to my pot. Yeah, then I'm going to proceed in putting in the seasoning. So I'm going to add my seasoning now. So in with my seasoning, guys. All my earth seasoning. Yeah, look at the pot full up already. Guys, you think that can hold the fish? Fish them big, you know. I go hold two there. Because my mind depends on it for eat. Want some curry fish from yesterday. So yes, guys, I'm going to cover this and leave it. I'm going to leave this to simmer a little. I don't want my vegetables them, and I don't want them to be too mushy, too soft. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to take my fish now and I'm going to lay my fish in this bed here. This nice bed. A lot of sweet pepper, okra. Oh God, man, pumpkin. Look at that, man. Look at the slime from the okra. Oh my God. So I'm going to lay my fish in this bed here to steam. Yes, guys. So when I say, I think it can hold. So yes, guys. You think it can hold? Remember, fish, you know, is not chicken. Steam your steam fish. You don't cook fish. So yeah, man, this more than can hold. You see that nice bed that my fish lying? So here what happened now, guys. I'm going to take up some of the vegetables, put on top of the fish. And some of that nice color there. Gravy color. And I'm gonna cover this now. So you're going to see the finishing of this, guys. So guys, I'm checking in with my curry fish. So I'm gonna put some cauliflower on top. You know, we don't want it to cook out too much. You know, we just want it to get a little steam and that's it. So I add in the cauliflower last because I don't want it to cook out too much, you know, cook out the nutrients and all that. Just want it to get a little steam. Bam. Yeah, so we'll leave this now. Bam. Yes, guys, done this, done now. So listen now. Look at that. So lovely that is. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm going to lock my stove off. Don't want my vegetables to be too mushy. I want them to be crunchy. Yeah? Love when my vegetables are crunchy, guys. So guess what? I'm going to plate this now for you all to see. And so stay with me. There's more for you to see. Don't go anywhere. Boom. Yes, guys, there you have it. My curry fish with cauliflower. You see the little plate, guys? And I don't know how for the little plate, right? Yeah. So guys, remember to share the videos. Share the video for me, guys. Share up the video. Share the video, subscribe, and share the video, guys. So you can have this with some white rice. Yeah? So we have a bowl of white rice over here. You can pair it with that. Or you can have it with your favorite sides. Yeah?